Mitrulara Bandhulara, welcome to South Asia Maps, your education channel, your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our Paschim Punjab series, that is West Punjab series, Maghrebi Punjab series, across the ideological RadCliffe line, the land of Darul Mumini and Darul Kafiri. This particular part, the physiographic regions, geographic regions of Paschim Punjab, will be exploring at part 19, a fascinating region called Sindhu River Gorge. Sindhu Mata is a very great ancient river on which the great sages did their penance and tapas. Indus River Gorge, Sindhu River Gorge. After this presentation, I will show you varied diverse topographical maps and it will give you the lot of information about the land, terrain, history and culture. So this presentation will be not like any other presentations where just I will list out and go and you will be deeply shown the important aspects of this land. Mitronam, this is our Punjab series, West Punjab series. This is the 19th part. For the time being, I will stop at this. I may be posting some other presentations later because I will do diverse fields. There are already 70 or so broadly playlists I posted. So for the time being, but I will add whenever time permits and uh, I will take some time to post some other, but we are talking about the Indus Gorge region. All these presentations, Mitranam, you can find at South Asia Maps JRD. There are 620 or so in 70 playlists as of 24 September. All these playlists, varied diverse fields, you can go and look at them and you can pick and choose of the your choice presentation South Asia Maps JRD. Mitranam, there are four Punjabs. That is, the Radcliffe line is the ideological line between this side is Darul Harb, Darul Mumin, and there is a Himachali Pahadi speaking Punjab, Punjab is speaking East Punjab, Khariboli Haryanvi speaking Punjab, and Landa and Sharaiki, Majha, and Punjabi speaking West Punjab as a result of tragic story of partition that I have covered elsewhere. We will be only interested in the region now. This Mitranam, this is the political map, administrative map, where you will see the two-dimensional political divisions. That means higher level than the districts, jillas, then the districts and some tehsils, taluks, just lines drawn. Whereas if you look at the same thing, a physical maps, a physiographic maps, a physiography, a branch of geography, you will see how the land is physically related to the mountains, the rivers, the peneplains, the plateaus, and so on. Here we can see the fascinating Indus Gorge or Sindhu Mata River Gorge, Sindhu Gorge, which you won't see here. Here you see the Attock district, Rawalpindi district, Talagang and Chakwal and Mianwali and Bakar Kushab. These are the surrounding areas. Across you will see the Kohat district, Peshawar district and Sardar Banu district and so on. That you won't see it. You will see here very clear clarity. Kohat Plateau here, the Potwar Plateau here. Between them is the river. The rim is the salt range. I will go over these mountains much more detail for you. So that before that, Mitronam, keep these mountains ranges in this area. I have put it here so that my as a non-native person, my pronunciation and maybe little different so that you get a clarity how the particular range is spelled. Mountains. Remember, always there will be some spelling ranges depending upon the source. Kishori or Kishore Mountains, Marwat Mountains, Bhatti type of people, Bhattiani or Bhatani, Betiani, Sugar Mountains, Singer Mountains, and Ricky Mountains, parts of Potwar Plateau rims, Namal Lake, Namal Mountains, Kalabag Mountains, and Cherat Mountains of Attock region, Kalachittas and Margalas. They merge with the Sivaliks of the West Punjab region, Koi Namak, that is Salt Range, Sakesar Mountains. Further, we will not be covering the Domali Mountains and Jogitila and Pabbi Mountains, Waziristan, Safedko. But you can stop here and see how they are pronounced and spelled. So these are the historic districts. Old districts were mostly Attock district and Rawalpindi districts. Now Attock, Talagang, Mianwali and Chakwal. There are many districts. Now I have mentioned that. This is essentially the same thing. I have given more information. We will go over it. Mitronam, long back, I have posted a overview of all the Punjab, West Punjab, Paschim Punjab, Maghreb Punjab, 18 physiographic regions, geographic regions. That is a bird's eye view, and you can look at it for broader idea. We are exploring here Indus River Gorge in this area. If you remember that area, what are the surrounding areas is very clear. That why I am showing that particular thumbnail for you. So here, Mother Sindhu River Gorge is the Indus Gorge between the Kohat Plateau on the west. If you miss these things, you will see it in certain other maps. And Potwar Plateau, Potahar Plateau on the east, from the towns, historic towns of the Attock on the north and Kalabag on the south. Kalabag, Kalabagar, and Attock. This is the gorge, Sindhu Gorge. The Mother Sindhu flows between the Kohat Mountains in the west plateau region, Potwar Plateau region between them. Boundaries are the broadly we are taking about the boundaries. Peshawar Basin in the north are adjoining the Church Plains in the Punjab and Pakhtun speaking Khyber Sarhad province. Then the Cherat Hills, Attock Cherat Hills, and Kalachita ranges. I will show them. I am reading here. Kohat Plateau on the west, Sugar and Singer Mountains, and Kalabag Hills and Ricky Hills. I have misspelled here. Ricky near Namal Hills. Potwar Plateau and Mian Valley Basin is the where the gorge ends. The landmarks of the historic Attock Fort, Kalabag Fort, Nawab's territory used to there 1758 Maratha Empire overran this, wrested from Islamic imperialism of Duranis, but they couldn't able to keep it. But it's very landmark. Attock to Kattak. Kattak is a town in the Utkal region, Kalinga region, Orissa, on the eastern coast of the post-RadCliffe truncated Bharat along the Ganga Sagar River, Bay of Bengal. Some districts, some parts of Attock, Talagang, Chakwal, Mianwali, certain parts of Peshawar, Kohat, Jahangira, and Karak and Lucky Marwat, Khyber province, northwestern frontier province, Sarhad Supa, KPK. These they overlap the district here. Important point is British round about 1913 they finished a branch line, a narrow gauge railway line round about 100 kilometers from that Lucky Marwat they connected other side of the river Indus to Ishakel, again other side of the river Indus, that is in the Mian Valley basin area, to Kalabag on the river, and Murray Indus on the this side of the river Sis area to Davud Kel in the Mian Valley district junction, that is this side of the river. So Northwest Railway or Trans Indus Railway it is called 1930s, build a narrow gauge, that means 762 millimeters extends. Now it is extended to Banu, later the Tank and all those areas. We'll see that one. And as usual, this is the area we are talking about. This is the Attock town. Attock, Fatehsing, Jand, and Pindigave region. Remember, this is the Gorge. Kalabag will be just here. Isakale in the trans across the river. This is the Sis Mian Valley and Kundian and Chakwal. So this is the broad area, Potwar Plateau and Kohat Plateau, the Gorge here. Starts from Attock city and Kalabag is the northern part of Mian Valley district where Pakistani former Prime Minister Wazir-e-Azam Imran Khan also hails from. You can see the river here, the railway map here, very easy. We start with Attock, Attock city here, then Basal junction. From Basal a branch line goes to near Rawalpindi, Gorla Sharif, and from Basal the Jan, again the railway junction. This the river will be here. West side the Kohat eventually connected to Hangu and Thal. The railway line continues the Jand. See, remember this is the Dawood Kale and Indus, Mari and Indus town. Railway narrow gauge branch line they filled across. The Isha Kale will be here. Then the Marwat town eventually extended to Banu, later to Tang. So the railway line continues the main line to Kundian to Jand. Kundian is a junction that connect to Kushab and Sargoda. Now there are many railway lines. So this is the historic area. We can see Rawalpindi district. At the time, western part was Campbellapur or Attock. See, at the time, the British Punjab, when it formed during the Lawrence brothers, consolidated the geographical knowledge and started evaluating the districts. Hazara district, Peshawar district, Kohat, and Ismail Khan DIK. They were separated, later made as Sarhad Suba, frontier, northwest frontier province. The Laya, the northern part is called, uh, later it was called Mian Valley district, and Kangar, later it was called Muzaffargarh district, Kangar. And this part we are talking about Kohat region. And here we'll see, remember the gorge starts from Attock. Historic Attock town goes to Kalabag. You start with that is the Turbela Dam near Hazara. So from Jahangira in the frontier province, Pakhtunkhwa, then Charsadda and Parushapura, Peshawar will be there somewhere here. Charsadda. So the river. So this is the Attock. So it starts with the Attock. These are the Attock Charat mountain ranges. So these are the Kalachita mountain ranges. Attock Charat Kalachita mountain range. It continues. And this is all the Potwar Plateau. You have a giant, the railway junction from there, one goes to Kohat. Yeah, Kohat. Kohat Mountains, Kohat Gap, Kohat Basin there. Jan, this is the river we are continuing. The railway line goes across the river, parallel. Then it goes to the Son River or West Son River. There is also East Son River, border between Purbi Punjab, Himachal in the Anandpur Sahib, Rupnagar district, Yuna, those areas will not. So this is the West Swan district, spelled differently. Comes and cuts. These are the Shingur and Singer and Sugar, Shungar and Sringar mountain range here. So cuts to this Kalabag will be somewhere here, exactly there. Yeah, Kalabag will be there. They have not shown here. So Mari and Indus, see from Dawoodkeel railway line from Mari and Indus go to Isakel, that is in the Trans. I think they have. I will show you in the other place. Isakel to then goes to Mari, Lucky Marwat and Bano. Yeah, it goes to maybe other place I can show. And this is the near the Mian Valley. The now they call it the Jina Barrage. And Kundian railway junction goes to the Joharabad and Kushab there. You can see this. You can see the Kalabag there. You can see the Sindhu Attock town there. So these are the Cherat Mountains. Attock, Cherat, these are the Kalachitas. You can see it here very clearly. And this is the Peju, that means that is the Lucky Marwat Mountains. This is the Kishori Mountains. You may see even the Kishore, you see, Kirikeshwar Mountains here. This is the Batian Mountains. And the gorge, you can see the Namal town, Namal University there, and Riki. This Riki ranges here, Riki Mountains here, Namal Mountains. Western Sakesar, one of the very big hill station, their highest point around about 1525 or so. And this is the Kalabag Hill, the Son River. So you can see the uh, here we catch the Turbela Dam here. This is the Rawalpindi area. This is the, our Attock town, Jahangira, and you can see this is the Peshawar. I think this is Charsada. Attock here, and this is the Basal railway junction that goes to Karla Sharif near Rawalpindi here. You can see that the red lines are the railway tracks. The western, this is the Jan. That means this is the Kohat town. You can see the Kohat basin goes to the Peshawar basin. This is the Kohat range, is the western part, Kohat plateau. This entire is the Kohat plateau. This is the Potwar plateau. And we'll continue on this fascinating river. And remember, it is the Daud Kill. This is the Mian Valley basin, Mian Valley town. This is the Namal Lake, Riki Hills, Kalabag Hills. So this is the Daud Kale Junction to, it goes to Kalabag here, Mari Indus here, Kalabag, and goes to Kurram River. This is the Bano, this is the Lucky Marwat. Then it goes to this, now extended to many places. And this is the Bano, this is the Lucky. So that is the part we are talking about. Mian Valley, Kundian to Kushab. This is the Sargoda. This is the Shapur will be here. So that is the Peshawar. If you see Lut, you may not see this is Son River. Jhelum. This is the Potwar Plateau, Namakiko Mountains, Church Plains, and Peshawar Basin. The historical next to that Safedko Mountains and Khyber Pass will be there. That will be. So I have covered other aspect of this historical. Attock to Cuttack was a fascinating subject, and Marathas controlled Cuttack on Bay of Bengal, Ganga Sagar. Attock represents on Sindhu River, so Sindhu Sagar. So the completion of Attock to Satak, liberation of the motherland from the Islamic imperialism at that time, Duranis. You can look at the other appropriate folder, Attock to Cuttack 1758, Attock to Cuttack, Duranis and Marathas Attock. These are the Maratha states. You can say Attock, correct. You can look at them, other presentation. So that's what we talked about, the fascinating and other Punjab series I have covered elsewhere. That is the Punjab series, History and Geography, and Himachal Pradesh series, Haryanvi series, and East Punjab, Purbi Punjab series, that is Mashriq Punjab, and I also covered the British Punjab districts and divisions elsewhere. There are 4 Punjabs, and we covered that, and you can look at them in other presentations, appropriate playlists. That is about the fascinating Punjab, Pashchim Punjab, Maghrebi Punjab series joining. Thank you very much for joining me, Mitronam. See you later in other presentations. If you like the presentations, you can subscribe the channel as well as you can post your comments and bring it to the notice